In collaboration with PDEU, this National Immersion Program, organized by Goa Institute of Management, brought together minds, ideas and ambition.
So as a program director for the immersion program that we had with the students of Pandit Deendayal Energy University from Gujarat, we tried to provide them with a holistic learning through case studies, experiential learning, and also a lot of hands-on activities through which we try to teach them the lessons on entrepreneurship, leadership and innovation.
As a participation, I learned many new things as this program helped us to grow and understand the innovations, the AIs, the sustainability and all the management, even how EQ is helpful for each other and how we can manage in day-to-day life and the future.
We got an opportunity to visit Goa Institute of Management GIM along with our students from BBA and BCom for an immersion program. The students at the end of the workshop are greatly satisfied with the workshop. I thank the resource persons. Goa Institute of Management is located in the lush green campus. It has a great biodiversity, great infrastructure. The classrooms are also very modern, which provide greater student-teacher learning experience.
All the classes were very interactive and engaging. People who couldn't speak up interacted a lot. Two of the best classes I really enjoyed were leadership communication and lean startup. Those were classes I enjoyed the most, but most of the classes were very interactive, group-based activities and very fun. And they have a beautiful campus full of greenery surrounded by mountains. And the thing I would take back from here is if the classes are interactive, any subject can be interesting to any student.
I like Shaili ma'am's class a lot just because she had made us have a lot of practical knowledge about pasta, how to make a spaghetti tower out of that and how we can make collective decisions and everything around.
And I must say that it was quite a satisfying and fulfilling experience for me as well, because the students were very actively participating not only in the kind of tasks and the case studies and the activities we gave them, but their participation into the discussions were quite engaging. I feel quite satisfied to conduct this program and I look forward to many more such engagements with other universities from other parts of the country.
Overall, it has been a very fun experience and I would definitely do something like this again. I definitely enjoyed the team building activities and the amount of work we all had to do as different groups, learn to communicate with different types of people and how you can make adjustments.
From leadership and communication to digital and AI readiness, the program shaped leaders, empowered minds and paved the future.